Hello, welcome to the Creative Workshop channel. Our goal is to learn and share food and environmental education in a simple and fun way for children who have little exposure to fresh foods. Additionally, we aim to introduce them to local urban gardens and help them become familiar with this environment. While they may have theoretical knowledge, they need a sensory and enjoyable experience to achieve quality learning. To facilitate the application of these workshops by interested individuals, a guide has been created. It addresses the recommended structure for initial workshops, while the last sessions are designed for hands-on engagement, providing guiding questions along with a script template that can be adapted and filled in. Once finished, you can share your experience in this Drive folder so that future participants can use it as a reference. And to assist in the workshops, there are supporting materials such as the name tag, a survey to map the eating habits of children in their context, including their interaction with cell phones, which can be useful to understand how it interferes with the child's learning. The Springfield Diary is currently available in Portuguese and invites children to join urban farmer Olivia as apprentices, planting assorted seeds, exploring their plant identities, tasting fresh food, and sharing seedlings and experiences with family and friends. It aims to keep the child motivated by distributing the complexity of the task and introducing playfulness with increasing difficulty at each level, providing more moments of accomplishment. Despite encountering moments of frustration and leisure, integral to the learning process, Q&A pages and an internet research tutorial are included. Then the diary concludes with guidance on proper disposal if needed. And the last supporting material is the biodegradable pot that can be used to plant the seed, and after it germinates, it can be planted directly in the soil, facilitating the replanting phase, and adding more affection to the planting process as the child can draw the name of their plant on the pot before assembling it. You can find the link to access the guided materials in the description. Currently, the materials are available in Portuguese and English, including audio versions. So, shall we sum some ideas together?